Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the processor in AR. So let's discuss. At the heart of the AR system, it is the processor. So it coordinates some analysis sensor input, and it store the data and it retrieve the data. Then it carries out the task of the AR application program and then generally appropriate the signals to the display. So this is the work of processor. So the complete AR processor, it comprises the four steps. So there are the first one is 3D content of application, and second one is 3D designing phase, and third one is integration into the AR applications, and the fourth one is augmented reality product design. So let's discuss one by one. So the first one is 3D content of application. So it is the very first thing which comes in the processor. So it is the core concept of the applications. So how it represent what are the main functionality of the application and how the applications will look, then how it will interact with the user, and how the user will interact with the AR content. So these are the it represent the 3D content of applications. So it will provide some ideas, it prepared some blueprint, and it will be used in the it provide the user, and it will be used in the designing phase. And the second process, 3D designing phase. So it the 2D blueprints and the 3D prototypes, so they are the reference, they are the engineer, they can be complete the flow of the applications. So that applications are including the application screens, color combinations, animations, effects. So they will be implemented these kind of steps. So once the steps is completed, then it gives the pretty clear ideas of the application functionalities. And then third step is integration into the AR. So once the complete design is ready, and it's time for integrating the whole concept onto the AR applications. So the development phase of the applications which begins here. So then the functionality are integrated into the AR applications. So and finally, once the advanced processes is ready, so the applications can be made compatibility with the available of AR and VR devices. So once the app is integrated with the product, then you can offer an unforgettable viewing experience in AR. So these are the four main processor steps in AR. And next one is architecture. So before starting the AR experience, so we have to following the some architecture steps, some architecture concepts. There are first we have to recognizing the content, and second one is tracking point, and third one is image unwrapping. So recognizing is nothing but it detect the objects. Okay, it detect the objects and it identify the objects with the help of QR code, barcode, images, or any kind of 3D models. So we have to recognize the object. And second one is tracking point. So once you recognize the object, then once that application is detect the pattern or any kind of objects, then it continuously track their position into the real space, and it accurately measure the corners, edges, and everything, and it is marked every corners and edges, then it track it continuously. And the third one is image unwrapping. So it is the process of unwrap, and it is the part of the image to facilitate the recognition. So these are the three main concepts of the AR architectures. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the AR system process system architecture. So first we capture the cameras, so we can easily capture the modules or any kind of objects. So then it moves into the some different kind of frames. Then it point out the markers, the position of the images, and it um, calculate the that is orientation poses and edges. Then it rendering the module, and finally it display the 3D content. So this is the processor of this is the process of the architecture, AR architectures. Thank you.